Welcome to Lingo Ladder. My name is Sarah, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. In today's video, we will learn many useful English words about the kitchen. These words will help you improve your English listening and speaking. So get ready, and don't forget to subscribe to Lingo Ladder for more videos. Knife. I use a sharp knife to cut the bread into thin slices for breakfast. Spoon. She uses a big spoon to serve soup into everyone's bowls at dinner. Fork. I hold the fork in my right hand when I eat pasta with tomato sauce. Plate. The waiter brings a clean plate and puts the hot food on it. Bowl. I like to eat my cereal with milk in a big bowl every morning. Cup. He drinks his morning coffee in a small white cup before work. Glass. She pours fresh orange juice into a glass and drinks it quickly. Pot. My mom cooks rice in a large pot with some salt and water. Pan. She puts some oil in the pan and fries 2 eggs for her family. Lid. I cover the pot with a lid so the soup can cook faster. Oven. He bakes homemade pizza in the oven for Saturday dinner. Microwave. I heat leftover pasta in the microwave when I come home late. Fridge. We keep milk, butter, and vegetables in the fridge to stay fresh. Freezer. Ice cream and frozen meat are kept in the freezer for many days. Blender. I put bananas and milk in the blender to make a smoothie for lunch. Mixer. She uses the mixer to make the cake dough soft and fluffy. Grater. He uses the grater to make fresh cheese for the pasta dish. Peeler. I peel the potatoes with a peeler before boiling them for dinner. Chopping board. I always cut vegetables on a chopping board to keep the table clean. Colander. After boiling pasta, she puts it in a colander to drain the water. Kettle. We boil water in the kettle to make hot tea in the evening. Toaster. He makes 2 slices of bread in the toaster every morning. Measuring cup. I use a measuring cup to add the right amount of flour to the cake. Rolling pin. She rolls the dough flat with a rolling pin to make pizza. Tray. The cookies are on the tray, ready to go into the oven. Spatula. He uses a spatula to flip the pancakes on the pan. Tongs. She uses tongs to pick up the hot chicken wings from the grill. Whisk. I whisk the eggs with sugar to prepare a cake. Bottle opener. He opens the bottle of juice with a bottle opener. Can opener. I use a can opener to open a can of beans for lunch. You are doing great. If you enjoy learning with us, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Apron. She always wears an apron to protect her clothes while cooking. Cut. I cut the bread into pieces so everyone can share it easily. Chop. I chop the onions into small pieces because I need them for the soup. Slice. He slices the tomato to put it in the sandwich. Dice. She dices the carrots into small cubes for the salad. Peel. I peel the apples before making an apple pie for dessert. Mix. Mix the flour with the eggs and sugar to make the cake batter. Stir. She stirs the soup slowly so it does not burn at the bottom. Boil. We boil potatoes in hot water until they are soft to eat. Fry. He fries the potatoes in oil until they are crispy and golden. Bake. She bakes a chocolate cake in the oven for her son's birthday party. Roast. We roast the chicken with garlic and lemon for dinner. Grill. He grills the meat outside on a barbecue with his friends. Pour. She pours milk into the cup before adding tea. Spread. I spread butter and jam on the bread for breakfast. Taste. I taste the soup with a spoon to check if it needs more salt. Add. She adds sugar to her tea to make it sweet. Season. I season the chicken with salt and pepper before putting it in the oven. Serve. He serves the pasta on plates for the whole family. Wash. I wash the vegetables carefully before cooking to make sure they are clean. Rinse. She rinses the rice with water before putting it in the pot. Dry. We dry the clean dishes with a towel before putting them away. Wipe. I wipe the kitchen table with a cloth after dinner. Scrub. He scrubs the dirty pan with soap and water until it is clean. Store. We store the leftover pizza in the fridge to eat it the next day. Cover. She covers the food with plastic wrap to keep it fresh. Throw away. I throw away the trash after cooking so the kitchen smells fresh. Great job! Today we learned many kitchen words with useful examples. I hope these sentences will help you in daily life and in your English practice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Lingo Ladder, and stay tuned because the next video will bring you even more useful English words